guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of my go-to hairstyles as a busy mom with unwashed hair. As it's been a couple days since I washed my hair, I'm going to start with a dry shampoo, and I'm currently using Batiste XXL Stylist Volume. This first style is very basic. Aside from just putting your hair into a ponytail, this is probably the quickest thing you could do. And I just gather my hair at the base of my skull and start twisting it upwards, and then I fold it back down while twisting, and then clip it all down with a claw clip. I just find that this look is a little more flattering than just a low ponytail, which is what I used to opt for on a day where I needed something super simple and easy. For the next style, I'm starting with a low ponytail. And I'm just kind of parting my hair in the back a little bit so that I can then flip the ponytail up and over. I like to just add this basic headband. And then finish it off with a bow in the back. This next hairstyle is a good one for a day when you feel like your bangs aren't cooperating. Maybe the rest of your hair is, so you want to just leave your hair down, but you just want to tuck your bangs back in some way. So all I do is gather a bit of my bangs on each side of my part, twist them back a little bit, and secure them with a bobby pin. I then like to add some bobby pins that are a little fancier, and just put those over top of the basic bobby pins that I already put in. So for my next hairstyle, I'm going to move my part over to the side. And I'm just going to twist my bangs back and then secure it with a bobby pin. Then I'm going to put my hair into a low ponytail off to one side. Some days I'll just leave it like this with just a ponytail. But what I also like to do is turn it into more of a messy bun. So I basically just grab my ponytail and scrunch it up into a ball. And then I take another elastic band and I try to secure it with that first of all. And then I just use several bobby pins to keep it all in place and make it look a little more flattering. For this next hairstyle, I start with a high ponytail, and I try to just brush my hair out and comb it to keep it nice and slick. And then I'm going to make a bun. So I take another elastic band that's stretchier than the first one that I used. I'm basically just twisting my hair with the ponytail into a way where it turns into two folds. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins to secure it down and make it look like a finished bun. The final hairstyle that I'll be sharing today is another one that uses a claw clip. So I'm putting my hair into a high ponytail. And then I'm just splitting it into two sections, a top section and a bottom section. And I'm going to lift the top section up and place the claw clip over top of the elastic band. Then when you let your hair down, ideally it will just cover the claw clip and ends up looking like a nice high ponytail with some extra volume. So those are some of my favorite hairstyles for a day when my hair is unwashed and I don't have a lot of time to style it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.